You have to tell us the name. What is it?
Chill out. And it's got a glow fuse. Light absorbent.
God. That was not chill.
That was not chill.
Did that not scare you?
Yes.
You didn't move at all. Nothing about you standing completely still told me that you were not chill. The 4th of July vlog. Here's what we've got going on. Wait, show them the pack. And where did we get this? From
Publix.
$12.99.
Wow.
June bug sounds kind of fun.
Yeah.
June bug. I've personally never been allowed to light the fireworks.
Yeah.
Wait, Mom, let's cheers our hot dogs.
Happy 4th of July.
I almost said Happy New Year's.
Oh, good time.
That was cute. Wait, you didn't cheers it.
Oh, cheers. Oh.
There's something about a microwavable hot dog that just hits different. So you just light it?
All it said was,
Light?
take the lid off. Ooh. Oh.
Oh, shit!
Oh, that in that little box.
You want to know what? That's a June bug if I've ever seen one. What would you... We have to rate each one.
I was at least a 6.
Ooh.
Yeah, that was pretty good. I wasn't expecting that much oomph to come out. We got a Happy Valley, Crystal Fountain.
Do crystal fountain. I don't think any of them go boom. Wow. Very similar to the June bugs.
Not high,
Not as high, you're right.
longer. No. I think it's at a 4. I wasn't impressed.
I don't know. I kind of feel like I would give that a 2.
Butterfly and flowers.
I'm having a lemon white claw. So I'm going to rate it. I would give this a 1.3 out of 10. Okay, we're ready. Get out of there! If it blows up, we're gonna scream. Wow! It's very... Okay. Okay.
I have a funny story for you.
Okay.
Years and years ago, all you kids were really small, and Dad come home with some indoor
You have to
fireworks.
talk louder because the AC thing.
Dad come home with some indoor fireworks.
Oh.
So we sat at the table, and there's all these boxes, and he lit the first one, and it sort of went like, and it looked like poop.
Oh. Was it
That
brown?
was it.
It was brown colored?
Yeah.
Oh.
It wasn't supposed to be poop. It was just an indoor firework.
That's what these are reminding you of.
Yes.
Wait, I want to light one.
Oh.
Which one's that?
Sauce.
Okay.
What's the walk?
Do you light it then put it down?
No. No. We want to keep our hands and our fingies. No, you gotta light it. There you go. Run! Oh, got down on this one. Wow, that was the little one.
That's the sauce.
That was the sauce. I'm impressed.
Okay, I'm gonna do another one.
I think that was probably a 9 considering it's a little box. Oh.
Fire ants.
Ooh. Wonder if they're gonna crawl on the floor.
It says...
Oh, we frightened all the chickens.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's the,
So, which one's your favorite so far?
that last one, I think the sauce. Sauce. That's rude.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Whoa!
I don't know what we think it's gonna do.
Fire ants. Does it resemble?
It really looks like ants. Wow.
Flashing fountain. Carefully read instructions. On the side. It's giving. We're gonna free ball it.
Okay. Just open the lid and light them up.
They're having a contest.
What's inside it? Oh, you just stand them in a row.
I'm supposed to light them all?
Or... yeah.
It's gonna go off before I...
Do one there, one there, one there, like that.
Like
You could do it like in a half circle.
a bareback?
Yeah. And then light them and run, and then light it. You're gonna have to do it really fast. By the time you finish the first one, the last one, the first one will be done. Maybe just do one, see how it does it. Like the stance. Uh-oh. We're out of fluid already. Oh, that was a really big noise. Oh. It's the only good thing about 4th of July is the mosquitoes are less because of the smoke.
You said that, but one landed directly in my eye earlier.
Oh.
I'm gonna light as many as I can.
Okay.
I only did one. I got scared. Okay, so it didn't set the other one off.
Oh. Okay. Oh, she got 2. Ooh, it's green. Red.
The mustard has congealed a bit. And I'm getting the thrill for $12.99.
Alright, this is called Astro Thunder.
Oh, shit. Whoa. Looks like a Bronco Sport commercial. Squash.
Squash.
This is our finale.
This is our finale. Get ready, folks. This is the big one. I thought it went out then. Ooh, it's all the colours!
Christmas colors.
It is. Very like that.
What? Maybe we shouldn't have done it right next to the car. Let's look at the aftermath. You look crazy after. This one looks so silly. How's your dog?
Oh. Very good. I mean,
Oh. Sounds like you're pretending that it's yummy. Stop button. Say Happy 4th of July.
happy 4th of July.
Now, because we're party animals, we're sitting on the couch.
Nice and sweaty.
Got beers behind. Got my Chipotle queso that I didn't eat earlier. We've got a dog. There's another dog taking all the water in his mouth. He's gonna come drop it on us and friends. And then later we'll have an American classic apple pie and ice cream. Very wild 4th of July over here. Here he comes. Nope. Any minute now. There he is. Oh my goodness.